What's up, Open House? It's Maria Taylor. You're deep inside the NBC Sports studios, and I wanted to give you a tour of Studio 1 because that's where we do NBA Showtime. But you can come in. Come on, come on. This is the entry point. Look at all of this open space. I don't know where they found it at, but it's light, it's bright, it's quite all right. You can kind of see like all the logos and all the little details of what make it cool. I mean, I'm 6'2", so let's just have a moment for how big this has to be. Yeah, it's huge. So that way all the Hall of Famers look small when they come into the studio. So this is where we all sit. This is usually Melo's spot where he's gonna be doodling with his notebook. This is where Vince Carter sits. This is where I get to sit. They call me the captain, and if they don't, they should. This is where T-Mac sits, and usually right around 10:30 he starts to get sleepy, so it's a deep lean in this chair, and we try to get him a blanket so he feels comfortable. If we have someone to talk to, think about a talkback. So maybe Bam Adebayo after he scores 83 points. This is the monitor we talk to him out of. So you'll see us sitting over there. You'll see our big jib camera sweeping in, taking on the interview. And you know you got a good studio crew when they turn the lights on when you walk in, because y'all have one job, make me look good. We do have a basket here in the studio. The bad news is for me is that every time I shoot, I usually shoot with a lot of arc, and there's this little track right here that I've hit like 3 times, but only because you're here, I'm gonna shoot a free throw again. Thank you, thank you. All right, next up, I'm gonna show you the sandbox, which is basically like a telestrator, so you could draw on it, say you could do circles, but this is next gen, because when you see it, the players actually pop up out of the sandbox. The only 2 people that touch this bad boy are the cousins, so VC and T-Mac, and they're moving around these little circles that you see in real time, but if you watch the show, you're gonna see like a little player standing up. What a cool tool to have to really show all of our basketball analysts what it looks like to break down a play. So that's pretty cool. The last thing I wanted to show you is our awesome crew. They live here and make it all work. They run the cameras, the sandbox, all of it. We don't do it without them. So this is their house. Thanks for coming to our open house, and we'll see you next time. Watch NBA Showtime.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop us a like and subscribe.